Hi guys. So, real quick, before the video starts, I just wanted to let you know I had to add something. It's amazing. I took another couple tastes. Guys, the next recipe is going to knock your socks off. It did not slow cook. It did not simmer for hours. My little trick, my little hack that I'm going to give you to make the best jambalaya possible in under 15 minutes, you're not going to believe it. So, watch the entire video, take a taste with me, and I really, really hope you enjoy it. So make sure you leave me a comment. Peace! Hello everybody, Wicked Penny here. Today I'm making a recipe for the first time and everybody loves when I do that. Keith likes Cajun and so does Sammy. They like a little spice in their life. Me, not so much. So I developed a recipe all on my own stump to make a quick and easy jambalaya. You heard it here, quick and easy. It's, super, super simple. I'm going to bend you down, talk you through it, but wait. Oh, that fucking dog. She's going to be the death of me. If I have to step away to go kill the dog, I'm not sure how long it's going to take. She might not go down too easy. She might put up a fight. But I'll come back, don't worry. Anyway, I'm going to bendy, and we're going to do this together. And we're going to see how quick it can be done. Guys, like I said, the pan's a little dirty because I did up a little chicken ahead of time. And we're going to sweat some of these vegetables real quick. Guys, the Holy Trinity, not the mirepoix, celery, onion, and carrots. The Trinity for Creole cooking and, New Orleans style cooking. It's called the Trinity. And it's green pepper and onion and celery. No carrot. Okay, remember that. All right. Now, I got some celery here. I even cut up a little bit of the stems for color because my little cheat here, guys, doesn't the package that I'm cheating with. You'll see the big reveal, the big surprise will be coming up. Is I gotta shut this window. The dog's still barking. Poor neighbors. Like I really care. And one of these days, maybe one of them will shoot her. Not really, guys, really. Every PETA will be knocking on my door. Animal control. I love that little witch. Okay? So, here they are. Sweat it down. Guys, I'm going to talk while these are cooking a little bit. Jambalaya. Oh, I want to show you. Look, I don't know how I live my life without doing this, guys. Chopped green peppers and the onion. I have them in the same baggie. How many times you throw out onions? How many times you throw out green peppers, right? Too many times. If I want a green pepper for a fresh salad or something, or I want to eat some with some dip, that's different. But for cooking, I can't. I'm so tired of buying produce and it going to waste. And I could buy one, cut up, throw in the freezer. Don't think I have it to save a pepper. So anyway, in the jambalaya, some call for chicken and sausage, shrimp and chicken, shrimp and sausage. Guys, my boys are meat eaters. I'm going to do all three. Okay? This looks pretty good. All right? This is some andouille sausage. This is the package that I used, Smithfield. I only used half a package. Guys, to be fancy schmancy, looking like a cook, cut your sausage on the bias so it has this pretty shape. Don't cut it like a piece of pepperoni. Don't be a rookie, okay? So, these are done. Throwing in the sausage, okay? Everything is already pre-cooked, guys. All we are is warming it up. Quick, right? That's the what do we like, okay? Sausage is in there. Chicken. I was prepping chicken all morning. Fresh chicken in packages for the freezer, so I cooked some off. Guys, smells good in here. All right, so sometimes when I'm creating recipes, I call my sister-in-law because she's a whiz. And when I told her what I was doing, she's like, no red sauce. I'm like, well, the sheet I'm using right here, guys, Uncle Ben's jambalaya rice. Okay? If you're not going to do it in the microwave and you're just going to do it in the pan, like me, it calls for a couple tablespoons of water or chicken or beef broth or something. So she was concerned there wasn't going to be any sauce. So here's my beef broth I'm putting in to make it a little juicy. She's like, I can't believe there's no red sauce in it. I guess there's like tomato paste or tomato sauce. And you really want to get it a little juicy. Okay? So this is what I'm eyeballing now. And then, like she said, a little tomato. All I'm doing is putting a little tomato paste in there. Okay? Now look at how easy that was, guys. Come on. I have rice. I have andouille sausage. I have chicken. I have the jambalaya Uncle Ben's cheat rice. My God, guys, can you see this? Doesn't it look good? All right. So the topper, the pièce de résistance is, guys. Oh, this looks good. I would let this simmer down again. Are these shrimps? Look, some recipes call for the tails off. These are some nice sized shrimp, right? I'm gonna put them tail on, like the real deal. I don't think you'd be getting any tail off down in New Orleans now, would you? New Orleans, is that what they say? So I would throw them in last because these are already cooked. Okay, you're just warming them up. Everything is good to go. Guys, how easy was that? Oh my God, it smells so good in here. I'm just gonna incorporate those shrimps, okay? That's all I'm gonna do. And if I want more sauce, guys, which I think I may, when I go to serve it tonight, I'm not gonna do it right now. I don't want that rice to soak up any more liquid, so I'm doing this just for you guys, okay? Look at this, chicken, rice. Oh, guys, all right? Delicioso, right? And look at how quick and easy that was. I'm gonna turn this down. I'm gonna scoop a little out for me, okay? Wait, you want to get an up close look? Come on, I'll bring you down. Look at this, guys. Look at. I mean, come on. Can you smell it? All the way from wherever you are. I mean, it's freaking. If we had smell-o-vision in this universe, not just the Jetsons, we'd be in business. Okay, so that's it. That's it in a nutshell. I'm taking a spoony spoon. Like I said, guys, I don't know how spicy it's going to be. We'll test it together. Okay. I got a shrimp. I got a chicken. But this is for the guys. This isn't for me. I'm not a huge spicy eater, but I do like everything in it except the sausage. Okay? All right, guys. Look at this. Where's my fork? I'm going in. Let me turn this down. Let me cover it up. When I serve it to them tonight, guys, oh my God, look. You need to be bent down a little bit. Look at that. I mean, come on. We got the chicken. We got the sausage. We got the shrimps. I'm going to taste. Oh, I got a little piece of the sausage right here and some rice. All right, I'm going in. Guys, it's so good. You don't want the shrimps? Let's do the sausage and the chicken. Oh my God. It's spicy as hell. That rice is spicy. Guys, they're going to love this. I'm going to serve it with some roasted corn on the side. You know what I mean? They'll love it. Of course, the corn in the air fryer. All right, let's have a taste of the shrimps. Ready? Quick and easy jambalaya. Guys, give it a shot. You know me, I'm all about easy and simple. How simple was that? I've eaten 3 bites. The video is 9 minutes long. I'm going to add a little something at the end just for you. But, come on. Shrimp are already pre-cooked. The sausage is pre-cooked. If you have chicken ahead of time like I've taught you how to do, or omit it, or omit the shrimp, Look how easy that was. Lickety frickin' split. Okay? Everybody, have a great day. And I will see you on the flip side. Don't forget to comment. Get your chance in for an Instapot. I'm giving it it needs more vodka. Anyway, Buka stopped barking. She might have had the big one. I'll let you know. Peace.